From the process of constructing this product, I've learned about many different ways in which to use technologies. For example, to construct my product, I used a program called Photoshop, which can edit and put my magazine together. On Photoshop, I use specific tools to help me put together my product. First, I learned to take the snap off and put on rulers and guides to help maintain my neat house style. This tool helped as I could map out where things were going using the guides. For example, I used this to make sure all of my cover lines were in line with each other. I use this tool on all my magazine pages to make my house style consistent. The guides also help me straighten and leave the right amount of space in between the text on my contents page. This was important as it shows a consistent, neat house style. Another tool that I used was the blending option, as this allowed me to have a shadow behind it and make it stand out. I use this tool on all my subtitles and titles throughout the magazine and for the masthead of the magazine to make them stand out. I also use text boxes for my text and body text. This helped to keep all of my text in one place and it could easily be moved, which was important as I could then place it where I wanted it and it would still look neat. Layers were also used whilst creating my magazine, as this made it easy to change the opacity of certain things. For example, I used this on making the shape on the front cover underneath my main cover line lighter and less opaque, so you can still see the image underneath. To have my main image on my front cover overlapping the masthead, I had to use the marquee tool to cut the head of the image that I wanted and then create a new layer for it and paste it on top of the masthead to show that the magazine is well published and known. During my production of my magazine, I also used the magic wand tool to crop the background on my images as I wanted it to be plain, so I used this tool and it took away the background of my image on my double page spread. I also learned how to change the format of a document, as I had to change a Photoshop file from a PDF to a JPEG in order for it to become an image to post in WordPress. I also used an online website called WordPress to post my work on to show the progression of my magazine. I posted work on there every lesson and said what I had done. This helped me stay on track and reminded me what I had to do in future lessons, as I had wrote the things that I had wanted to change and improve in the next lesson on there.